If you're encountering the Nintendo Switch Cloud Save Error 2026, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back to gaming. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by going to System Settings, selecting Internet, and then Test Connection. A strong connection is essential for cloud saves to function properly. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your Nintendo Switch completely by holding down the power button for a few seconds and selecting power options, then turn off. Wait a moment before turning it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Check Nintendo Online subscription. Verify that your Nintendo Switch Online subscription is active. Go to the Nintendo eShop, select your user profile, and check your subscription status. If it has expired, renew it to regain access to cloud saves. Step 5. Relink your Nintendo account. If the problem persists, try unlinking and then relinking your Nintendo account. Go to System Settings, select Users, choose your user profile, and then select Link Nintendo account. Follow the prompts to re-establish the connection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.